Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need playable local tracks before you begin. If your songs stream only on Apple Music, first download or convert them to DRM-free MP3/AAC via iTunes Match or Purchases. Subscription streams won't import. Once done, open your GTAV installation folder and locate or create Rockstar Games /GTAV/music/user music. Make sure file names are simple, no exotic characters, because the game scans that. With files in place, launch GTAV and open the pause menu to audio settings. Choose Scan for user music. This instructs the game to index that folder and add tracks to self radio. Once scanned, switch to the self radio station and confirm songs appear. If you use the Rockstar Social Club, sync or upload tracks there to keep playlists consistent across installs. Otherwise, the local scan is sufficient. Make sure the game has permission to read the folder. Otherwise, the scan will find 0 files. Now select Self Radio while driving. Your imported Apple Music files will play like any other station. If a song doesn't appear, exit to Desktop, recheck user music for DRM-protected files, and reconvert or re-download clean MP3/AAC copies. Once done, rerun the in-game scan. If playback stutters, reduce bitrate or verify disk permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: DRM tracks from Apple Music subscription will never import. Use purchased or converted DRM-free files so GTAV can read and play them reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.